Buying the wrong size inner tube wastes both time and money. In today's video, we'll show you how to choose the correct size, thickness, and valve type. Provides optimal performance for all types of vehicles. First, let's talk about size. Each tire requires a specific inner tube size. Matching the correct size is critical when installing a tire on your car, motorcycle, or truck. Next, thickness. Inner tubes come in different grades. Thin tubes, around 1.5 millimeters to 1.75 millimeters, lightweight and suitable for daily use. Heavy-duty tubes, 2 millimeters to 3 millimeters, offering stronger puncture resistance. Ultra-heavy tubes, 3.5 millimeters to 5 millimeters, built for extreme conditions. The choice depends on your riding style and terrain. Third, valve type. Car inner tubes often use TR75A long valve or short valves like TR13 and TR15. For trucks, you'll see TR179A straight valves or V3-06-5 bent valves. Choosing the correct valve ensures proper fit and inflation convenience. Whether you're in vehicle repair or looking for OEM and aftermarket supply, we provide a full range of inner tube solutions, durable and engineered for safety. Choose smart, ride safe. Contact us today to find the right inner tube for your needs.